So my name is Seema Pandey. I'm the commercial director of Kempinski Mall of the Emirates. And ATM for me in the last 24 hours means 3 hours of sleep and still looking the way I do. But no, it's been busy. It's really cool. I think ATM is like the pulse of the market. And as everybody knows, we've been through a trying time in the past year or so where we're all working very hard and getting where we want to get, but it's a lot more work because of the economy around. So no, last 24 hours have shown that business is great. Things are back. Europe seems to be very, very positive, which is a very cool thing. We can see GCC traveling as well. So it's been a very positive 24 hours. A little more than 12 months would be kind of nice to talk about because Kempinski Mall of the Emirates, which was one of the first hotels to open here in this region, is actually they did an entire renovation. So when you walk in there, you feel you're in a new hotel. And you know what Dubai is like, there's so many hotels. And the minute you're 2, 3 years old, you kind of become one of the old hotels, isn't it? So that was one of the big projects that was done. Then do you know about the Kempinski at the Palm? We opened the residences, which are doing very well, and now we are set to open Kempinski, the hotel part of it. So that's very cool as well. Somewhere around September is what we're looking at, but you know how it is. And then we've got Kempinski, the Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi. So that's great. Kempinski overall is consolidating. They're very focused on their European heritage, their luxurious thing. It's one of the few hotels which I feel you can use luxury with it, because not everywhere you can. It's a very abused word, right? So here it makes sense. So they're consolidating, the properties are getting better, the hotels are becoming better. So yeah, in a good space at the moment.
Well, I mean, there's not a lot that I can personally talk about at this point, but what I can say is that we opened Kempinski in Oman about 3 weeks back, which is supposed to be a stunning property, and there are great growth plans. So I think Kempinski is on a roll. I'm not going to say I was here when the first ATM happens because that totally dates me. It's not happening, even if that might be relatively true. But you know what is great about this place? I genuinely feel I was pretty young when my father was explaining this to me, and I've heard it before as well. After that, it's like there's a difference between delegating and abdicating. I think this particular market works on that. So they've got some great leaders who are local as well, but they're also people who come from other countries. And there's a very hands-on approach to what happened. So a few years back, when Dubai used to announce a project, I would be like, I'm not really sure. How's that going to work out? Where are they going to put it? And I think it was about 10 years back I stopped questioning because whatever they rolled out, they did. So I think there's very focused attention and nobody walks away from a project. So when they decide to do something, they're on it. So you've got to, even when the market was going down a bit, when there was some tension in the region, I remember how Dubai Tourism just brought hotels and tour operators together and went, let's do this. And we did it, and the market was. So I think it's a phenomenal place. And I'm so proud of this place. I mean, there are places and areas in this country which are younger than my kids. How's that even possible? This is not possible. But they built it. So I think there's great times ahead. At times it does look a bit, oh my God, where are we going? Because there's a lot of development. But then they all work hand in hand. So here's a million hotels, and here's an airline that's going to bring people. Here's a tourism board that's going to put it all together. So, yeah, no, and I've lived here long enough, 20 odd years, so I totally know what I'm talking about. So I think now they are going into that where bigger brands are coming in now, right? So there are times you question, why is that hotel coming in? And you get it because it's an area you want to be part of. So I think it'll be more of that going on because we haven't seen the end of the growth at the moment. There's a lot more to do. There's loads of stuff coming in. There was a time when you wondered what would you do in Dubai if you had a 2-day layover. Now you try and sell a 10 or a 15-day and people buy it. So yeah, no, I think there's a lot more.